Keeping your Android device secure is important, and Google Play Protect makes it easy to check your apps for potential security risks. In this video, you'll learn how to manually run a Play Protect scan in just a few taps. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will display a menu with several account and settings options. From the list, choose Play Protect to access Google's built-in security center. Here you can see when your device was last scanned, view recent security activity, and check whether Play Protect is currently active. To begin a new scan, simply tap the scan button. Google Play Protect will instantly examine all installed apps, including those downloaded from the Play Store and other sources. Looking for malware, unsafe behavior, or apps that may put your personal information at risk, the scan normally finishes within a few seconds. When it's complete, the results will appear on your screen. If everything is safe, you'll see a message confirming that no harmful apps were found. If any app is flagged as suspicious, Google Play Protect will explain the issue and recommend the appropriate action, such as uninstalling or disabling the app. For the best protection, allow Google Play Protect to remain enabled and check your device regularly. It's also a smart idea to update your apps frequently, since updates often include important security improvements. Running a Play Protect scan every so often is a simple habit that can help protect your phone from unwanted threats and keep your personal data more secure. That's all there is to it. Your Android device has now been scanned with Google Play Protect, giving you extra confidence that your apps are safe and your phone is protected.